Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be covering the basics of layers, making an image black and white and using the brush tool. Let's start with an open image. If you try to move your image with the move tool, it won't work. You have to turn it into a movable layer. In order to do this, double click the layer and rename it. You can now move the layer. In order to make our image black and white, we're going to use what's called an adjustment layer. Go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and Channel Mixer. Call it black and white. Be sure to check the monochrome option to make it black and white. Mess about with the sliders. Go with green and red in the middle and blue at 100. This adjustment layer doesn't actually change the original image. It's non-destructive. Click the eye next to the layer to see this. Adjustment layers affect all layers below them. Keep this in mind when working in projects with lots of layers. Let's say you want to paint on your image. You might intuitively grab the brush tool over here or use the B shortcut and try to paint, but this won't work. You have to create a new layer to paint on. The best way to do this is with the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus N. You'll be using this shortcut a lot, so it should sink into your memory soon. Name the layer something appropriate, like brushy brush. Grab the brush tool and paint away. If you make a mistake, use the history menu to go back. If you don't have the history menu over here, get it by going to Window, then History. Adjust the size of your brush with the square brackets. Right-click for more brush options. You can change the colour of your brush with the Colours window, which you can access, if it's not already open, by going to Window, then Colour. Notice the difference when putting your brush layer above and below the black and white layer. Remember that adjustment layers affect all layers below them. If you want a coloured brush, be sure to put the brush layer above. Click, then hold Shift and click again to draw a straight line between the 2 points. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned from and enjoyed this quick introduction to layers and the brush tool.